Hi everyone, my name is Maguire Sharpe. I am majoring in marketing here at LSSU and I am a sophomore, and today I'm here to show you everything you need to know about Osborn Hall. So this is a regular room at Osborn Hall. It normally has 2 beds and 2 desks, but since Shelby, who lives here, is an RA, she has her own private room. The beds are all twin XL, and now Shelby is going to show you what is inside the room.
Come check out my room. So since I'm an RA, I kind of have the luxury of being able to move my room around a lot more. So I have my bed put in the corner here. I have it raised all the way up to one of the tallest settings, so I have more storage underneath. My desk in the corner, this is what the desks look like. They're easy to move around. You can also take these off if you'd like to. Then I have my fridge over here with a microwave in the corner. Some people put these under their beds, especially if they have a smaller one or a roommate. That's a really good option. And then we can check out my closet too. So you have all this space for hanging clothes, nice top shelf there. And then you also get a use of more shelves in there, and all of these are nice big drawers.
This is the bathrooms in Osborn Hall. You've got your showers over here, sinks here, and then the toilets over there. This is the kitchen in Osborn Hall. It's a full kitchen. You have your oven, your microwave, and then all of your pots and pans, utensils that you're going to need inside the cabinets. The only thing that we do ask, obviously, is if you use the kitchen, please make sure you clean up after yourself because we want it clean and sanitary for the next people. This is one of the common areas in Osborn Hall. It has this area right here with the seating and the television. It has the piano if you know how to play. Over here we have the aquarium. It is an awesome place to go to get academic help. We're not going to go in there right now only because there's students and they're studying and we don't want to disturb them. Around the corner here we have the laundry room. It's one of 2 in the building. It is free for all late stage students. The only thing that we ask is you do it in a timely manner just because we don't want 2-day-old laundry in the washers taking up space. This is the second laundry room in the building. It's basically the same thing, just a few less washers and dryers because it's on the small side. Out here we have another common area. Thank you for coming on the tour with me today. If you guys have any questions, be sure to follow us on all of the Lake State medias. You can ask us stuff there. You're one step closer to becoming a superior you.